Hello, and in this episode we'll be leaving Wales and Snowdonia behind and taking the road trip north to the Lake District, where a hike doesn't go exactly to plan.
Very perilous bit.
And some of that was filmed by Skylar. We'd love to hear from you in the comments what you think, and if you wouldn't mind doing the whole like, subscribe thing, would be good. Thank you. Enjoy the video.
Quite mystical, isn't it, on the mountain? How are we going over there, Peril? Will you wait? No. Look how easy this is going. Wait. No. I don't. Oh dear, you're stuck, Ted. Poor Teddy. Daddy, oh. Daddy lift you through. Come on then, let me get your lead. Oh boy.
We're in the Lake District, Eskdale. What do you reckon?
Oh, it's lovely. I love it here.
Ted loves
It's
it.
stunning. I love it. One of my favourite places of the country.
It is beautiful. It's unbelievable, so in these mountains.
And in Eskdale, there's just so much on your doorstep.
I'm just looking at the map and there's quite a few walks we can do just from the thing. We're here for 2 days this time. So
You can show the walking page.
yeah, so there's no sort of rush. We're just going on a small walk this evening. We did a lot of walking yesterday. We did 30,000 or more steps yesterday, so we did quite a lot yesterday. But today we're just going on a... We'll probably get lost, but...
I'll stop at a pub.
Gorgeous, stunning there. Absolutely stunning.
Up, 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 up. Up, 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 all over your ears. Why have you just rolled it?
Steady, good girl. Yes, Pinky.
So this is the highlight of a long day, is then relaxing with our barbecue that folds out really easily, and the dogs are relaxing, aren't they, Sky? Sky? Relaxing? Sky? You don't know the meaning of the word relaxing.
It's barbecue looking at, isn't it?
Still busy. Food on the go. Yeah, the highlight after a long day walking, driving, is now relaxing on the campsite with beautiful views and everything that we want right here. And Ted's pooey head has been cleaned, so he can now have a fuss again. Cut, Ted. You have a fuss again? Ted? You have a fuss again? Kiss. Ted, kiss. No? Okay.
Probably the best holiday in the world.
What have I said about you not Jeremy Clarkson? Stop it. Just stop.
The best vlogger in the world.
Not only are you annoying people with your questions, you're now coming out with in the world, which isn't, you can't claim that.
So what we're going to try and do today, we start from there and we want to go down to there, and hopefully from there we can get back along there, along the river here, and back down here and up to Harter Fell there, which is supposed to be really nice. So we're going to go see the waterfall, then try and go up to the Harter Fell today, shall we?
Okay, I'm ready to go. Oh, I just love it. Look. Arguably one of the best places on earth.
In the world. Church with the original heat pumps. I think these stepping stones have been washed away, or I don't know if there is an alternative crossing, but I'm sure we'll find it somewhere if there is.
Very hard to see the car. You do realise it's like a huge drop down there.
Like this pool. This is really dangerous. You only got it so wet, I think this could give way if you're walking on it. I'll turn round and then up.
Okay, so it goes up through there. Okay. What time we carry on then? It's too dangerous to go downhill. Well, we're not stuck, are we? nothing but the waterfall.
Huh?
It's next to a waterfall.
Oh, I'm shouting. Yeah, I started thinking you're falling in.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so we seem to have survived that little perilous bit.
Very perilous bit. There's some dip. No, I can't say dip.
No, you can't.
Some twit thought it'd be a good idea to follow a path that wasn't waymarked despite being on his map. And it was perilous. We've literally skirted along the edge of a cliff face with the dogs, no phone signal if anything had happened. And then we got so far, it was too dangerous to go back as it was to go forward.
Adventure.
Never again. We will only follow the waymarked paths in future. So learn from us, don't follow a path that's not waymarked. It's very dangerous.
Quite right.
Very dangerous.
But in other news, look at the view.
You're lucky to still be here to see it. Right, now we're on a proper path again. Relax. Oh, we won't be going back that way, will we, Ted?
Adventure, innit, Ted?
Wait. There go.
Okay, so we've made a decision not to go onto the top. It's a bit too wet and slippery.
And
with
it's
the dogs.
covered in cloud anyway, so you won't
Covered
see
in
anything.
clouds, so we won't see anything anyway. And when it's all wet and slippery, if the dogs decide they're gonna go down a bit faster than we want to, then we could end up falling over. We don't want that, do we?
No, never in the rest of the holiday.
With broken legs and everything.
Exactly. You put me through enough danger for one day.
Excitement and adventure, I think you'll find. Going this way.
This way, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, so it's up there where we were planning to go, and as you can see it's just covered in cloud and rain and stuff. We wouldn't have seen nothing anyway. Well, that was exciting, wasn't it?
Dangerous. I don't know about exciting. Dangerous is what it was.
Really dangerous. Bit of an adventure.
Very dangerous adventure.
Yeah. But have you had a accidental adventure on your holiday?
Or is your partner taking you down very dangerous paths and nearly killed you?
We didn't nearly die.
Oh, I felt like I nearly died.
No, we didn't.
You were lucky to make it to
Didn't
the top.
nearly die.
Very
We
lucky.
vaguely got
Very
close to
lucky.
dying.
Idiots like us is why mountain rescue exists.
Right, good.
Anyway.
Yeah, so if you have, you can leave that in the comments for us and let us know. And if you'd like to do the whole like subscribing thing, that'd be good. And join us on the next one when we'll be exploring a Roman fort, won't we?
Yeah, exciting times ahead. Staying in the Lake District is just amazing.
Yeah.
You know, best place, one of the best places in
Like
the
the
world.
Lake District.
In the world.
In the
Oh,
world.
it's annoying. Stop it.
Right, we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Okay, so we've had a little bit of a change of plan. We decided we're going to go up to the Hard Knot Pass now because we haven't had enough of walking uphill yet. So we're going to walk up there, and there's a really nice Roman fort up there to see, isn't there?
Yeah.
That'll be good.
They're already...
We're already soaked anyway, so why not?
And we're close to the path, so we might as well
We
finish.
may as well just scurry up there. It'd be a shame to walk past it when it's just half a mile away.
Yeah, and we're wet anyway.
We're
so
wet
what we
through
got to
anyway.
lose?
We'll see. Alright, see you at the top.